It's early in the morning, wife and daughter sleep, but I just wanted to show y'all, I just wanted to make this introduction so y'all can see how I eat throughout the day. What I've been doing is I've been on this carb cycling maintenance plan. I actually lost a few pounds doing it, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how I eat my breakfast. Okay, so what I normally do is I start my morning off, like as soon as I get out of bed, I'll come downstairs and I'll drink about this half a gallon, a jug of water. What I do is I fill it up right before I go to bed. It's usually cool and chill by morning, and then I drink a half a gallon. Yeah, I'll be running to the bathroom all morning. And then I got this. I still got a few packs of the overnight oats from my friends over at overnightoats.com. Don't forget to check them out. But it's got about a scoop of protein, some chia seeds, and some oatmeal. What I do is I prepare it the night before, then shake it up, prepare it, shake it up, chill it, and then by the time by morning time it's ready to go. So I just drink that, just like a protein shake. Favorite part of the day, lunchtime. I got some Brussels sprouts, half cup of white rice, 8 ounces of chicken, and guess who's sitting across from me?
Hello, people.
Y'all remember her from like 3 videos? No, the motivational chick video, the first one.
It's me.
There she is.
I would show my muscles, but you can't see them right now. Sorry.
She's getting ready to win some more competition this year, ain't that right?
That's right.
You can still flex though, can't you?
Yeah, but it ain't.
They know what it is. I know what it is.
It's there. Believe me.
Yeah, I'm right. All right, time to destroy this. All right, your boy is off work, about to head to the gym. Got to work my shift tonight at 9 rounds. So what I have to do is I have to pretty much work, get off work, go work out, and then go to work again. It's that dad life, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to make a living for my wife and child, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be a good man in this world, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna have a snack or anything like that before I go work out, because in my opinion, you mix the pre-workout with food, and because I did have some pre-workout, mix the food with the pre-workout, then you start having all these stomach problems and all that, and I really don't need that mid set. Like I really have to make this workout probably about an hour or less, so I don't have time to make latrine stops and toilet stops and stuff like that in mid set. So not sure if I'm gonna get any footage at the gym. I'm gonna try to do a little something, and then I'm trying to decide if I want to do back and buys or just arms, because tomorrow I have chest and tries. So that's another thing. Children, don't go into the gym without a plan. Don't do what I'm doing. I've been doing this for over 10 years now, so I can kind of get away with winging it. But if you're a beginner or intermediate, please don't do what I do. Do as I say, okay? All right, we'll see y'all in the gym, hopefully. so I just got home from the gym. Well, I didn't just get home, but been home from the gym for probably about 10, 15 minutes. Showered up, getting ready to go to my shift at 9. Round Hard Scrabble. Come check me out if you local. But I'm getting ready to have a snack. About to have a couple rice cakes. I ran out of almond butter, so I used just a little bit of Nutella on the other one for all you crazy, oh no, you shouldn't be eating sugar, fools and all that. So check it out. So I got chocolate rice cake, 2 chocolate rice cakes, one with a little bit of almond butter, the other one with a little bit of Nutella on it. I'm gonna eat these on the way to 9 Round so I can get kind of like a little, it's almost like a pre-workout meal, because working an active job like what I have, man, you really need the energy. So getting ready to munch on these on the way to work. So see y'all next meal. And I got a half a bottle of this left. I used a half a bottle from one of my workouts the other day. I'm gonna drink the rest of this so I have just a little bit of energy to get through my shift, because your boy is tired. So between this and this, I should last till 8:30. What you think? So to kind of give y'all an idea, and I'm only saying this now because I know I'm gonna forget to tell you later on, to kind of give you an idea of how I go about my day eating, other than showing y'all the food. One, I don't track macronutrients like I used to. I did that a lot when I was trying to shed weight, and I think that's a good idea for anybody. It's a good staple for anybody out there that's trying to shed weight. If you're trying to shed weight, make sure you tracking down to a T. Like I don't care. I think you should just track your macronutrients as you try to cut weight. Now, if you're just trying to maintain and you know what you're doing and you've been doing it for a while, I mean, whatever. I mean, most of my YouTube brothers, guys like Christian and Darrell from Strength Team and A-Train and all those guys, they know what I'm talking about. They know what to do. But for y'all beginners, make sure you're tracking your macros if you're trying to shed weight. For the most part, on a daily basis, what I've been eating on this new diet is, it's been pretty much like, it's about 100 grams of fat, about 250 grams of carbs, and about 200 grams of protein. And that's meals, snacks, everything included. The thing with this new diet is not so much that it's a diet. Like, ever since my daughter been born, I've really been eating like a lot of trash. It's kind of been like, okay, whatever's there. Like at work, guys want to order Waffle House and Chick-fil-A. Nothing wrong with Chick-fil-A. Nothing wrong with, none of that stuff. But just, I'm ordering stuff like 2 waffles and grits and bacon, like all that stuff. Like I really don't need to eat like that. Like it's good. It tastes good. It's good when you're a power lifter, but like at the end of the day, like I want to be around for my wife and my little girl. So, I mean, at least to see her graduate high school. But yeah, you just gotta watch the fast foods, and when you cooking the food yourself, you know exactly what's going into your body. So, just wanted to leave y'all with that. Well, I'm almost at work. Gotta go now. Can't record in there. Company policy. So it's a little after 9 o'clock. I just got home from my shift from 9 Round. What I'm about to do is I'm about to have me I'm gonna keep it simple for the last meal, because I really don't feel like turning on this blender and hearing all this noise, because your boy is really tired and I gotta be up at 4:15 in the morning so I can be to work on time. So I'm gonna just keep it simple with protein shake and some almond milk, and I'm gonna show you, I mean, it's real simple, but I'm still gonna show y'all how I'm gonna whip that up. Stay tuned. There's some really good stuff right here. If wherever you buy your protein from and they don't sell this, y'all missing out, because this stuff mixed pretty good with water too. I'm drinking it with some almond milk, but it tastes really good with water, believe it or not. I forgot to mention in closing, whether you're on a maintenance plan or whether you're trying to lose weight, even if you're trying to gain weight, make sure you're prepping your meals, all right? Like, luck favors the prepared, all right? I know I sound cliched and all that, but seriously, if you really want to make gains, if you really want to lose weight, you have to eat like it. If you want to gain muscle, you really have to eat like you want to gain muscle. So you need to increase your calories, of course. If you want to lose weight, then you probably need to eat just a little bit less, but that doesn't mean you need to starve yourself either. You still need to prep your meals. So, in closing, eat like you want to look. Okay, so if you want to be a big overgrown couch potato who don't want to do nothing and look sloppy and obese, then I mean, shoot, I don't know, eat pizza and buffets all day. If you want to look like a supermodel, I mean, eat a supermodel diet. If you want to be a bodybuilder, eat like one. If you want to be a powerlifter, eat like one. Although I don't necessarily eat like a powerlifter, but I am. All right, I'm tired and I'm rambling. I'm really leaving this time. So, last meal of the day. This is 2 scoops of the Oh Yeah protein mixed with some almond milk. So, in closing, let me know what y'all like to see. What kind of food video ideas y'all would like to see? Did I miss something? Did I not explain something correctly? I don't know, man. Y'all help me help y'all. All right, I'm gonna chug this bad boy, and I'm gonna. Well, never mind. I better not say that. I'm just gonna wash, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I probably get to eat a little bit more tomorrow, cause tomorrow is chest day, and I plan on benching really big. So don't forget to like, subscribe, reshare the video.